Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. We're in a new month, of course, the month of July. So we are now taking a new look at the operating system, the Windows operating system numbers. And if you want to know more about the full spectrum of operating systems, including Android, go to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. That's where we're going to talk about everything. So Windows 10, 46.76%. Compared to last month, it's not much of an increase, honestly. But at least, it's still there. The increase is actually in the margin of error, which means anything, that number doesn't necessarily mean anything. Windows 7 decrease, pretty much stagnant also. So once again, in the margin of error. So that's, we can almost say that for the month of June, the numbers have stayed relatively stable. So, of course, Windows 10 dominating, apparently, in the Windows sphere. If you think that there's more than 1 billion devices out there that have, of course, the latest number, or the only number we've got, actually, is a number of 1.5 billion devices. But anyway, it's anybody's guess as to the actual real number of Windows operating systems out there. So Windows 10 4676, Windows 7 at 3965. It's apparently approximately at the same number, the same level Windows XP was a year and a half before it was to be retired. So it's following the same curve. Is that going to accelerate, or we're going to have a high number in a year and a half? That's going to be interesting to see. Windows 8.1 and 8 together. I would not separate those, honestly. Let's call it Windows 8. And if we add, it's at 9.89%, almost 9%. That's slowly going down. Windows XP 2.97 and Vista at 0.65. Almost surprising that Vista is still registering on that scale. So, kind of a stagnant month, but we'll see as time goes by, and we'll compare these numbers as the months go by. Summer is usually a little sluggish in the sales of PCs because people tend to do other things than actually stay on their computers, which I totally find normal. So these are the numbers for the month of June, and if you have any comments, questions, why not say what you think in the description below the video. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.